Good afternoon and welcome aboard Carolina Tide. This is an absolutely beautiful, pristine 2014 370 Sea Ray Sundancer. You'll notice here at the transom, freshwater flush fittings. Hot and cold shower behind that plate. Big cockpit wraparound seating under a huge hardtop with an extended Bimini for full shade on those hot summer days. Looking forward, you'll see the cockpit configured for conversation, the helm chairs as well as the passenger chair turn in. Got a nice Vizio cockpit TV, killer speakers, cockpit fridge. Let's go on up to the bow. So we didn't remove this, but that is a full cockpit cover. From the top of the windshield all the way back. None of your cockpit upholstery sits in the sun. Windlass with chain and line, remote control spotlight, as well as foot switches. Nice stainless rail. I believe the boat came with a sun pad. He might store it in the house. I don't see it right now. We will find out for you. Looking at this hardtop, you'll see a nice custom mast. Raymarine closed array radar, KVH TV 1 track vision, as well as an over-the-air antenna. Nice feature on this 37, it's the biggest Sea Ray you can buy with a walk-through windshield. Coming down into the cockpit, the chairs have now been spun to face back forward. Full functioning helm. Raymarine hybrid touch with fish finder as well as radar and chart plotter. Raymarine VHF, a killer fusion stereo. Oops. Full analog gauges as well as your vessel view system. Xantrex battery monitors to show you your charging situation. Of course, digital throttle and shift with push button stop start and Axius upgrade joystick steering. Incidentally, under the water, what you can't see are the C-Core outdrives. Nice teak steps bringing us into our cabin. It's a little dark. We'll let the camera adjust for a second. Beautiful interior. Now, they do have on here now a topper, a Tempur-Pedic topper. I'm sure it could come with the boat if it needs to, but that's what the mattress looks like. This is the power bed from Sea Ray. I can raise it, and when I raise it, it makes my cabin bigger. Beautiful galley 2-burner stove. In addition to my big refrigerator freezer, I have an additional cockpit or drink box cooler refrigerator. Microwave. I have the shade down on that side. Nice windows on both sides though. This couch will pull out to sleep on. They added this little ottoman with storage, which is nice. Another big TV down here. Gaming ports. Nice mid-cabin. Folks, this boat looks like it's never been touched in here. It is absolutely pristine and gorgeous. Nice head, simulated teak floor, vacuum flush. The shower is separate from the sink area. Now let's come on back to the meat of the matter. Two nice 8.2 liter mag MPI V8s. The manifolds and risers were replaced as of this month, March of 2018. Brand new exhausts. The engines have under 200 hours. The generator has 71 hours on it. Spotless build. This boat is maintained weekly. Water heater, batteries. This is one of those boats where the first person to see it is going to be the guy who gets it. That concludes our tour of this 2014 370 Sundancer. Thanks for watching.